guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will be preparing pani puri. Definitely it's a main craving for this quarantine and we'll prepare it within 10 minutes. So without a further ado, let's get started. All the ingredients will be mentioned in the description box so you can check out. We'll make the curry. Now I'm smashing the boiled potatoes. You need to make the smashed potatoes very coarsely. I've already added salt, so I'm adding a little bit, not too much. Now I'll be adding chili powder. I'm adding chili powder now. Now I'll be adding jeera powder and cardamom powder. Adding now garam masala. Mix well. If you want to add chopped onions now, you can add. You can add chopped onions like this. You have to chop very finely. I'll be adding later when I will be eating puri, so I'm not adding now. I'm adding a little bit of dhania, that is coriander. Mix well. I've added a little bit of onion. Our stuffing is ready. Now let's prepare the pani. Before everything goes into the mixing jar, take about this much of tamarind and we'll add water and we'll squeeze the tamarind juice. As you can see, keep it very watery texture, don't make it a thick juice. So we will be adding this with the other ingredients into the mixing jar. Let's see what are the other ingredients. Take a bunch of coriander, bunch of pudina. I would suggest you to take equal amounts of coriander and pudina. Don't worry about the stems, we will be anyways filtering it. So now we'll add ginger, this about this much of ginger, one whole chili. Now we'll add this tamarind juice. Make sure the juice is very thin like structure, don't make it very thick juice. Add a little bit water and make it like a juice or thick paste. Then I'll be back. I'll show you how it turned out. We got this kind of a consistency. Oh, focus. I think now you can see. Now we'll filter this. In this we'll be adding how much water we want. I'm adding water. Can you see the color? It's same like the pani puri which we get on streets. Now I'm adding kala namak. If you don't have kala namak, you can always use the normal salt. I don't have dhania powder, so I just coarsely blended them, and this is the ginger, and I have enough chili, so I didn't add chili powder. If you wish to, you can add chili powder again. So it's right about the taste. So now let's just prepare the puris. So these are pani puri papad. You can just ask your grocery stores pani puri papad or puri papad. They'll give you this. So it's easy to prepare. Your pani puri will be done in 10 minutes. I'm not saying this papad, the whole process of pani puri will be done in 10 minutes. So let's just fry these. I've kept the oil for deep fry. So yeah. touch. Let's see the finishing touch. The stuffing is ready, pani is ready, chopped onions are ready, and the puris are ready. Now let's do the taste test. Very nice. Definitely try it out and comment down below how did you like it. I tried the first time and it turned out pretty well, so definitely you will also get it rightly. I'll still be in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.